Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to import a paper wallet in Green Bitcoin Wallet. Importing a paper wallet in Green Bitcoin Wallet allows you to access the Bitcoin stored on a paper wallet and transfer it to a digital wallet. A paper wallet is a physical document that contains a private key and Bitcoin address. When you import it on Green Wallet, you will gain full access over the fund and can manage them from a device. First, open the Green application. Now click on Set up a new wallet button. After that, click on Get Started. Here, click on this device and click on New Wallet button. Now click on Show Recovery Phrases button. Now click on Restore Wallet button. Now enter your private key or scan the QR code depending on how your paper wallet is formatted. If your paper wallet contains QR code representing the private key, use the QR icon which is at the top right corner of your screen to scan it. If your paper wallet contains the private key as a string of characters, manually enter it into the Green application. After entering the private key, give the wallet a name for easy identification. Green Bitcoin Wallet will verify the private key and sync with the blockchain. Your balance and transaction history for the address will be displayed. So that is how you can import a paper wallet in Green Bitcoin Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.